Superman.
It's kind of tucked in, and then we're going to flow. Still looking down.
Okay. What's happening here at West Coast University is that the OTA students from Anaheim are collabing with the students here at West Coast University, and we're learning about interventions as well as different equipment that OTs use in their sessions. The benefits that I see working with MSOT students is that we get to see and hear more of their perspective and their intake on what we're learning about. When I look around and I see people in the same room with the same purpose, and like we all understand like the same vocabulary and we share the same knowledge, I feel like this field has an opportunity to grow and thrive. And one thing I love about being an OTA is that you get to choose. You have a variety of options of what age group you can work with. My journey at American Career College has been such a fun experience because we're not just like sitting down in front of the board, it's a lot of hands-on learning. And what I really like about is that we learn something and then we apply it.